the video. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to install BGMI 1.5 in LDPlayer 4.0.60, and I'm going to show you there is no restricted area error coming. So go to my download link, and a big shout out to Tech with monirul, who made this possible. Because on 17 July, I mean today, we were trying but it was not working. But those who downloaded on 16 July, कल ही जो है ये BGMI LD प्लेयर में आया था. तो कल जिन लोगों ने डाउनलोड किया था उनका काम कर रहा था विदाउट एनी एरर. मैं दिखाता हूँ क्यों. और आप लोग मेरे गूगल ड्राइव के डाउनलोड लिंक से डाउनलोड कर सकते हो. ये है हमारी BGMI की ऐप, और ये है हमारे sorry, ये है BGMI की ऐप, LDPlayer की application, and this one is keymapping file. So I'll show you how it's different from today's file. अगर आज आप जाते हो उसकी वेबसाइट पे और डाउनलोड करने की कोशिश करते हो तो आपको मिलेगी ये वाली फाइल. देखो दोनों का नाम बिल्कुल सेम रहेगा. इसका साइज है 441769, एंड जो कल इन्होंने फाइल दी थी उनका साइज था 442113. तो देयर इज अ डिफरेंस. मतलब कि इन्होंने अपडेट किया था कुछ ना कुछ जिसकी वजह से BGMI सपोर्ट कर पा रहा था. तो हमने इस वाली फाइल का लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दिया है. आप यहाँ से डाउनलोड कर लेना. अगर आपने ऑलरेडी इंस्टॉल्ड कर रखा है अपना LD प्लेयर तो यहाँ से आके अनइंस्टॉल कर देना. LD प्लेयर, ओके नेवर माइंड. LD प्लेयर को अनइंस्टॉल कर देना एंड शॉर्ट नहीं कर नाम से. Here we go, LD प्लेयर. यहाँ से इसको अनइंस्टॉल कर देना. देन इंस्टॉल the latest version that I have given you in the description, and install it, and then go to your LD player and install BGMI. First you have to log in on Play Store. Ask for your login and then go search for BGMI. For itself it will go to this page. Just download from here and then go to Play Store and download one more app, BAGT, Battlegrounds Advanced Graphics Tools. So this is kind of a GFX tool, I would say. So install it. I'll show you how it works. So let's open this first. And और इससे पहले सबसे पहले अपनी LD प्लेयर की सेटिंग्स कर लेना. सेटिंग्स में जाके एडवांस में जाके टैबलेट मोड ऑन कर लेना. 1920 रख लेना. अगर आपका लो एंड PC है तो इसको आई वुड प्रेफर कि तुम 1280x720 में चलाओ. और टैबलेट मोड में रखना. CPU कोर्स, इफ यू हैव अ गुड PC go for 4 cores. If you have medium specs PC go for 3, 4. Anyone's like even you can give 2 cores if you want. RAM, you can choose between 4 GB and 8 GB. If you have a good PC go for 8 GB. If you have a low end PC go for 4 GB. And then disk management automatically, it's fine. Then go for model, change it from here, choose the S20 Ultra for 90 FPS and go into game settings. Tick all these 4 and click on 2K if you want to play on, like if you have a good graphic card go for 2K, or else 720 if you have low end PC. And then go for audio, networking, shortcuts, wallpaper, others things. It's fine. Just save it and restart your LD player. Then open BAGT and go for graphics quality, smooth, resolution, ultra, classic, and frame rate 60 FPS. It might show you 90 FPS, but go for 60 FPS. And high sound effects. If you want to use ultra, you can use ultra also, but I like high. And sound controls enabled, sorry, save controls enabled, anti-aliasing disabled, OpenGL, and high. Okay, apply, and also choose from here India version 1.5. Then apply. It will take 5 seconds. It will show you one ad. Just skip it. Just skip the ad, mute this, and run game. Every time you have to run the game from BAGT app only, and the settings will be saved. We have enabled save controls. So just you have to go and click apply and run game. After this, you will see an improvement in the game. So as you can see now, the graphics quality has improved a lot. Okay, so go to settings. In general, enable peek and fire, and so enable peek and fire, and lean mode hold. And what else? If you want, you can change spawn idle broadcast off, and radio messages off. Go to graphics, choose smooth 90 fps, lobby smooth 90 fps, controls, choose customize and reset everything. Set and reset, save, exit. Similarly, go to arena, customize, reset, save, reset, save, go back. Vehicles, choose this one, joystick, the second one, and I'll show you my sensitivity settings also. So these are my sensitivity settings. 70, 50, 50. Oh, okay, I have to change it. 50, 50, and 13, 13, 12, 11, 8, 6, 50, 50, 13, 13, 12, 11, 8, 6. And gyroscope, you don't need to have to change a gyroscope because these are for emulator, not for emulators. And go to cloud, okay, and go there in key mapping, and I'll show you my key mapping. You can just add from here, import share code. That you have to go here and just enter the code. I will show you how. So, and one more thing, you can change the sensitivity, mouse sensitivity from here as you wish. So for me, I'll go for somewhere around 40. And go save, and I'll show you my code. Here it is, share code. So this is the code. I'll give you the code in description also. So you can copy the code from there and just paste over here. Customize, and then drop down menu, import share code. Just paste it. You can copy my settings. Whereas if you want, you can change a little bit. Just go for 2K default and change a little bit whatever you want to change. Okay. Key mapping is done. Graphic settings is done. Now what you have to do is I will show you how to optimize your PC for best performance in LDPlayer. So first of all, let's close this. Okay. And go to your PC settings, all settings, and go to privacy and turn off all this. Turn off, turn off, turn off. Speech, turn off everything, turn off. Linking device, turn off. Diagnostic, turn off, turn off. Activity history, clear, turn off. And location, change and turn off. Camera microphone, let it be. Voice activation, turn off, turn off. This is for the Cortana thing. If you want, you can turn it on, but I don't use, so turn off. Notification, change and turn off. Account info, change and turn off. Contacts, change, turn off. Calendar, change and turn off. Phone calls change and turn off. Call history change and turn off. Email change and turn off. Task change and turn off. Messaging change and turn off. Radios change and turn off. Other devices turn off. Background apps turn off all the apps in the background. It for these privacy settings, and then go to gaming and game mode turn on, and go to graphic settings, turn on the hardware accelerated GPU scheduling, and from here a desktop app, browse your LDPlayer, go to desktop and just pick it up. LDPlayer options, go for high performance, save, and that is it, and go for that is it for this. I close this. Now let's go to task manager. Open task manager and go to startup and disable all the apps that is unnecessary running on your startup. I have disabled all these apps, just enabled HD audio and USB audio files only, and this one is for Valorant. So if you don't turn it on startup, it might give you some issues. So I've turned it on. And next step is go to ms config system configuration. If you type ms config, you will find system configuration. Go to boot and go for advanced options and click on number of processor, tick, and select and maximum select. I have 16 threads, so I'm selecting 16 threads and go for OK. Then click on no GUI boot and timeout, give it 10 seconds and then apply, and go for services, hide all Microsoft services and disable all, then enable only those which you want, like NVIDIA. I want to turn on NVIDIA, and I would like to turn on Riot Games, and would like to turn on Realtek Audio and Universal Service and Steam. Okay, apply. Okay, it might ask you for the restart, so just exit the restart. So let's proceed with the next step. So you have to go to your this PC and right click on this PC, go to properties and go to system, advanced system settings, and here you will see advanced performance and settings, and adjust for best performance if you have a low end PC, or you can choose let Windows choose. It will eliminate all the animations, and your text will be kind of little bit different from normal. So we'll go for advanced. Next step is go to advanced and change, and automatically select को यहाँ से untick करना है. Then you have to go to for customize size and give it initial size 8000 and maximum size 32000. No matter how much RAM you have, it's just a virtual memory which that virtual machine, that is LDPlayer, will be using for its cache memory and everything, like cache files and everything. Just give it any value between 8 to 64, or if you have a like hardest storage space of 100 GB, at least minimum 100 GB free, you can go for maximum 64, but I'll suggest you go for 8032. Okay, and apply. Might ask you for the restart, but we'll skip it and we'll do restart later. Okay, close. Now go to LDPlayer, right click, properties, go to compatibility, and click on this disable full screen optimization. Run this program as an administrator, and click on this change high DPI, override high DPI scaling, and click on this application. Okay, apply. Okay, and the next time, like first of all restart your PC, and then next time when you boot your system, might be a little bit faster, I would say. And next, if you run LDPlayer, you'll see I'll be getting around 90 FPS. Start. Always start from BAGT app. Go to BAGT, and all the settings are there. And India is here, enabled, apply. One ad will be there. Just close this, run game, and your game will start. Show you how much FPS I'm getting in this game right now. It might take some time because this is the second time I'm starting the game, I guess. Okay. Here we are in the game. And make sure you download HD resources pack when it asks for. That might, if you don't download, that might give you error in keymapping. Okay, close this, close this. Okay. Go here, training. I'll show you how much FPS I'm getting. Here we go. As you can see, everything is working fine. Right now I'm getting 60 FPS because in BGT app I set it for 60 FPS. If you go to settings, graphics, you can see I have enabled 90 FPS, but it's kind of, I have locked it to 60 FPS, so I won't be getting any fluctuation in the game. So if you play on 90 FPS, you might see some lag. That's why we prefer to play on 60 FPS. If you want, you can try for 90 FPS also in BAGT app. It will give you good FPS. And I'll show you G E A.
Wow! Let's give them a round of applause.
Everything is working fine. Sensitivity is good. I'll show you the driving things and all. Let's go. Let's drive the car. As you can see, there is no F in the key mapping because F is doing multifunction. That's why it's not there. But you know what F does, right? So F will pick up the first item in the list. F will help you to get in. F will help you to open the doors. F will help you to drive the car and everything. With the space, we have this horn thing, and if you want to brake, you want to use the brake, you have to click right button, I guess. And with the left click, it will boost. For brake, you can use S also. But if you want like specific button for brake, you guys can always go to key mapping, and I'll suggest you just little bit do this. That might give you. Okay, let's go back to full screen. Okay, as you can see, this thing is working. Game is working fine with the right click. Let's drive and see if brake is working or not. Yes, brake is working. So with the left click, it's boost. and with the left click it's break. Hope you guys find it helpful. Make sure the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys for watching. Take care. Bye bye.